Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your iPad Air 13 2026 isn't charging properly. First of all, check your charging port. It's located on the right side of your iPad. Here we are looking at, of course, the port itself, and at some debris and cloggage that could have got stuck in there. So if you see some debris, try to clear your device's charging port using soft brush. Do not use any metallic tools. You can use a wooden toothpick. Just make sure do not damage anything inside the port, and do not break it inside. Then make sure that your cable that you're using to charge your device doesn't have any visible damages on it. So check both sides of the cable and try this cable with other devices around you. Make sure that it also supports power delivery. And then check your charging brick. Try using the original charging bricks. This one has the capacity of 45 watts, and it's more than enough to charge this device. But if your device cannot deliver enough power to your iPad, therefore it will of course not be charged properly, and will most probably discharge as you have your charging cable inserted in it. And also try simply restarting your tablet. To do that, hold down the power button and volume down key for a couple of seconds, and then swipe the toggle to turn your tablet off. Wait for a couple of seconds, then turn it back on again by short pressing the power button until the Apple logo appears on the screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.